Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. I'm Adriana. Here is a tutorial on how to read a tape measure correctly as a beginner. So I have a tape measure which is 60 inches long, and I have another one here which is 120 inches long. This tutorial I'll be going with the 60 inches. So I guess every one of you can read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5, 6, 7, 8 till 60 inches. So this is our starting point of our tape measure. This is our starting point. And this line, this first thin line, it is 1/8. We call it 1/8 or 1/8. Then the next one is 1/4. The next thin line, it is 1/4, 1/8, and now we have half inch. This is half. So before we get to half, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So definitely 1/8 times 4 will give us half inch. Give me a second, let me look for a notebook so I can jot it down for you guys. It's times 4 will give us half inch. This is the half inch. One line in our tape, one thin line in our tape will give us 1/8, and 1/8 times 4 will give us half. So let's do it like this. 1/8 times 4 will give us half. This is 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, then 4/8, which is half. I hope you are getting me, which is half. So this is half 1/8. The next line is half 1/8, making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/8 will give us half 1/8. 5/8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/8 will give us half 1/8. Then the next line, which is like a bit long, is 3/4. That's 3/4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6/8. 1/8 times 6 will give us 3/4. Then the next one is 3/4, 1/8, and 1 inches. This is 1/8, 1/4, 1/8, half 1/8, 3/4, 1/8, and 1 inches. I hope you are getting me. And 1 inches. So guys, let's read it again. This is 1/8, 1/8 or 1/8. Then the next one is 1/4, 1/8, half an inch, half of an inch. Then half 1/8, 3/4, 1/8, and 1 inch. So the next one is 1 inch, 1/8. This is 1 inch. Like I've read the first inch for you, that is 1 inch. And so 1 inch and 1/8. The next one will be 1 inch and 1/8, 1 inch and 1/4, 1 inch and 1/4, 1/8, then 1.5. This is 1.5. 1.5, 1/8, 1 3/4, then 1 3/4, 1/8, and 2 inches. This is 2 inches. This will be 2.5, 3 inches, 3.5, 4 inches. This is 3 3/4, 2 3/4, 2 1/4, 2.5. I hope you are getting me. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1/8 times 8 will give us 1 inch. Will give us 1 inch. 1/8 times 8 will give us 1 inch. 1 inch. This is 1 inch. then 1.5. This is 1/4. 1/8 times 2 is what will give us 1/4. I hope you guys are getting my point. In the table, we have 1/8. The first line is 1/8. The next one is 1/4. The next one is 1/4 1/8. The next one is half of an inch. The next one is half 1/8. Then 3/4. 3/4 1/8. 3/4 1/8. Then 1 inch. I hope you guys are getting me. That is how we read our tape measure. Now let's go to the division part. The division part, 2 inches, let's say 4 inches divided by 2. 4 inch divided by 2 will give us, this is 4. Divided by 2, this is 2. 1, 2. That will give us 2 inches. I hope you are getting me. 6 divided by 2. 6 inch divided by 2. That's 1, 2. This is 6 inch. Then 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. That is 3 inches. I hope you guys are getting me. So let's divide. Okay, let me go for the big number now. So I'm going to divide. Okay, 32 divided by 4. This is how we are going to do it. This is my 32, and this is my 30, and I want to divide by 4. This is 32 divided by 4. I'm going to go this way. I will count it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. That is 32 divided by 4. It is 8 inches. 32 inches divided by 4. It is 8 inches. I hope you guys are getting me. So 60 divided by 2, that will give us 30. Like, just like that. So let me, okay, so 3, guys, let's say 3 inches divided by 2. I know in your mind you'll be like, it is not possible. It is very possible, dear students. This is 3 inches divided by 2. So 3 inches divided by 2. This is 1, 2. It remains 1 inch. Because if I remove these 2 inches that I've already divided, it remains 3. It remains 1 inch. So how am I going to divide this 1 inch? How am I going to divide it? 1, 2, that is 1. This is 1 inch. On the norms, if I want to divide something divided by 2, I'm going to count 1, 2, 1, 2, that 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. So I've already counted 1, 2, which is 1 inch. It remains 1 inch. So the 1 inch, I want to divide it by 2. How am I going to divide 1 inch by 2? If I want to divide 1 inch by 2, remember I told you that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 1/8. 8 1/8 in 1 inch. We have 8 1/8 in 1 inch. So this is how I'm going to divide it. 8 1/8 divided by 2. That is 4. So I'm going to count 4 1/8 in 1 inch. 4 1/8 will give us half. I hope you guys are getting me. This is 1 1/8, 2 1/8, 3 1/8, 4 1/8. That is half. So 3 inches divided by 2 will give us 1.5. So if I add 1.5 plus 1.5, that will give me 3 inches. That will give me 3 inches. Let's go like this. This is 1/8 plus 1/8. That will give me 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4. In 1/4 we have 2 1/8. In 1/4 we have 2 1/8. In another 1/4 we have 2 1/8. 1/4 plus 1/4 will give me half. So half plus half will give me 1 inch. In half we have 4 1/8. In half we have 4 1/8. So 4 1/8 here plus 4 1/8 here will give me 1 inches. I hope you guys are getting me. 8 1/8 will give me 1 inch. 2 1/8 will give me 1/4. 4 1/8 will give me half of an inch. Then half of an inch plus half of an inch will give me 1 inches. I hope you guys are getting my point. So let me do it this way for you guys to understand me. 1/8 plus 1/8. That will give me 1/4. This 1/8 is the first line. This is the first thin line in our table. That is what we call 1/8 or 1/8. 1/8 plus 1/8 will give me 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/8 will give me 1/4 1/8. In 1/4 we have 2 1/8. So 1/4 plus 1/4, that will give me 1/4 plus 1/4, that will give me half. Then half plus half will give me 1 inches. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys get what I'm saying. Thanks for watching.